Right. So it's been cold. So we have at least a foot, maybe 11 inches of ice there from here to here. That's good. We have a lot of ice out here, guys. And we will see you when we start catching fish. Bye for now. All right, guys, we're back. All right, look at this. Look at this monster that Rona just got. Monster. Whew, that's a big one. As soon as we get here, after, oh man, here we go, another one. After being here, oh, look at this, guys, double big one. Look at that.
That's nice.
Whew. That's a nice perch right there. And today we're just using the same thing. We're just using a chicken rig and 2 minnows. And we're just dropping them to the bottom on a bell sinker. Here we go, guys. Another nice school. Look at this fish. Nice fish, Rona.
Here's a keeper.
You know?
Can you open his mouth? Oh my god. Sorry.
Wow, bloopers. There's the fish right there.
Try to swim away. Oops. Sorry.
Oh. You're so funny.
He's trying to get away.
Oh, yeah. Love that sound, guys. Love that sound. Man, he's pulling hard. He's in your area. He's in you. I got your line.
Oh my god.
Oh, man. Look at that fish.
Let me open my bail.
Yeah.
Man, I thought I got a big fish.
Okay. We'll be back. Alright, guys. We just got into a monster.
I'm wrapped around my finger.
Look at this monster Rona just got.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, get him out and then you can put down.
Look at this guy. Boom. Look at that. I need those. That's the one key you guys gotta have. When you're down and you're starting to get big ones, you have to have somebody down there hooking one as you're unhooking and dropping back down, so it's one after the other dropping like this. Finally I get a bite right when I turn the camera off, turn it back on.
Oh my god, did I burn myself?
And look at that beauty. Ah, wow. That's beautiful perch. Ah, finally, guys. Nice, look at that perch, guys. Just barely skin hooked. Better go get him.
Can you reach?
He's gonna go in the.
I'm like stuck on ice.
There he is.
I don't know. It might just be.
He's not bad.
So we're gonna let him go.
Yeah. Let him go. Let him grow. Let's see if we can get back down there and see if I can get that. Yeah, we might have to. Here we go.
Nice.
Stay on, guys. Stay on. Ah, he's just little.
Come on, Oldie.
Jeez.
You see more big ones?
They're on me.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. They're in there. Ah, he's not bad. I'd pan fry him.
Yeah. Here's some decent sized ones down there. Oh,
Get off.
Nope.
There we go. Oh, wild one. Wild one. Go non-stop action now, guys.
Let's show them together. Crazy windy. Ow. Prick me. Little prick.
Hey, he's not a little prick.
No.
Oh, I got him.
Yeah.
Oh, I got him.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, I got him. Oh.
Nice. I was watching him
I
too.
watched him come in and grab it. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. There we go. That looked like a nice fish. Oh, that is a nice fish. There you go, Rona. Oh, I missed him. Lost my minnow. Let that one go.
We'll let him go.
Yeah, let him